All right, I don't know how much battery we have, but we have enough to make a video today. So, 3 weeks out of provincials. Let's make it happen. We'll see where it goes. Bye. Listen to that video later and be like, oh, music is super loud, and then it's not.
Opening soon in Sudbury. Get started today for $1 now. During this offer ends October 25th.
So, 3 set of 110 or 120 ballpark. Yes, I don't have any socks. That's why those shoes stays in the compartment secret. Heavy breathing, loud music, winded. We'll hit that again. Build consistency at this weight and then feel good. The weird part with like this new training schedule, coming back to training like I was saying, it's like staying the course, and I feel like today's a workout, it's like I don't mind not doing, but I know if I don't do it, I will be upset. And if I do it, I'll be fucking happy. All right. Do. Exactly what I was saying. So 90 kilos, ladies and gentlemen. About some A535 earlier? Yes, we did. Why? Because we're balls tired. Balls tired. If you're still here after watching the first video, thank you, appreciate that. And now we'll just make lifts and lock it, because as much as I'm filming those, it's not about making it pretty, it's about making it efficient. First session of the week. Let's make it happen. Let's go, Patty. Keep it up. Come on. Fucking routine. Yeah, hey! You know what? Fuck around, find out. If you keep your lats in tight, Pat, it's gonna be fucking great. 120 for the boys. Actually, the only boy in here is you, man. He's the only fucking dog in this house, bitch. Ooh. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Ah, yeah. On va essayer ça, You gotta finish that fucking pull, man. Je pensais que c'était trop facile, hein? This is what happened when you actually fucking try. Hey, yes! Oh, good. Intermission break. Coffee order came in, and came in clutch with a Coke Zero support of McDonald's, because I just crushed the double shot of espresso before. Now on to clean and jerks. It's gonna be a good time. Again, it's hard to see. And like, I think the more I talk about it, it's like, fuck, man, get out of your fucking head, because you deserve it. So I think to some degree, when we attack those clean and jerks, we gotta fucking balls to the wall about it, because with every good thing in life, started with a violent hip extension, cal strength, quotation. When we look at clean and jerks, we're not gonna go on a minute and a half here. We're gonna push it to like 2.5 minutes, because your boy here is out of shape. I should be talking like this. Hey. Anyway, 10, 40, 2 sets at 50, 1 set at 60, and then we're gonna move on. And that's 5 sets. So let's party. Oh shit. Whoops. Fuck it. Let's get the 60 and let's do 3. Let's get the 50 and do 3 sets at 60. You can't be a dog if you don't dog in it. One. Mike would say, head through. All right, 2 more sets at 160. It's really weird talking to yourself, because I watch those videos after. And it's like, am I really like something like this? So, help me. Yes! Woo! Oh, what's up, dog?